Come test drive the 2019 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.